In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Olymp Trade. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you are inside your account, you want to click on Payments, top right, and then here you want to click on Deposit. When you click this, it's going to start collecting payment methods, and when that's done, you can basically just select the payment method you would like. So here, you want to click on it, and then you'll be able to see a bunch of different payment methods you can do. Of course, just select the one you want. I'm just going to go ahead and select this first one, and then here you have to basically disclose your amount, so you can type in however much you want to deposit and press confirm, and then you can choose a promo code, which sometimes there's going to be some promo codes, and if you want it, you could also apply them. And then here you can just click on the next button, and then again, if everything looks cool, you want to click on the confirm button, and this is basically going to take you to a separate tab here where you basically will be able to pay. Okay, so it's going to start loading, and depending on whichever method of deposit you chose here, as you were able to see, there's a bunch of different ones, then it's just going to guide you and tell you how you can essentially deposit. Okay, so here you could do crypto. As you can see, in that case, you'll have to send from your other wallet onto here. You'll basically receive an address, but in case you're using like a card or a bank account or something like this, then you of course will have to put in your details, your card details, stuff like that, to be able to make a deposit. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.